the naughty bit, can't believe I'm going over this, and I accidentally discovered this. It's just something you stumble upon. It's like, you know, I have the hormones of a 17-year-old. I'm in my 40s, and I've got the hormones of a 17-year-old, but I've also got an old soul, so I've got that to temper myself down and be appropriate around other people. Thank God. So, having said that, you know, I think thoughts and I get turned on. It arouses the fuck out of me, depending on who or what I'm thinking of. And sometimes it's like, oh my God, I'm ready to work out. I'm going to harness this energy and get my workout done because I'm feeling the blood flow, baby, the blood volume. So if there's a person or, you know, whatever you can think of that just arouses the fuck out of you, then think about that person for a minute before you get going. Do whatever it is, whatever ritual that you have, or maybe it's not a ritual. It's just something you know that you can always go to, whether it's something you look at, you think about, or whatever. And just get yourself to that arousal state. And that certainly increases blood flow. And then you got to warm up to your workout. That's a great way to get started. I can't tell you how many times I've had a thought enter my brain, and all of a sudden I'm and I'm thinking, I should take advantage of all this energy and do something productive and go work out. So that's the naughty bit right there. And add your comments if you got some ideas, or if there's just something you want to say about what I've mentioned, or something you've tried that helps a lot to get you going with a great workout. Just feel free to drop your comments below, okay? And I'm sure I'll see them at some point. Bye for now. Feel free to share this, and TomBerkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, TomBerkenmeyer.com. I talk mostly about natural health topics and wealth and financial freedom and natural healing and all those kinds of things. So bye for now. Mwah.